In the face of climate change and environmental degradation, hope can seem lost. But what if we told you there is a story of resilience, restoration, and renewal? Welcome to the ACReSAL's project, where communities and landscapes are being transformed. In Nigeria's semi-arid regions, flooding and land degradations have become a recurring nightmare. But the federal government of Nigeria had set an ambitious goal to restore 4 million hectares of degraded landscapes by 2030. ACReSAL's, a federal government of Nigeria project with financing from the World Bank, is leading a charge targeting 1 million hectares of degraded landscapes. ACReSAL's has made significant strides, restoring 843,889 hectares of degraded land, that is 84.3% of its target, through diverse interventions, including afforestation and reforestation, regenerative agriculture, civil works, flood control, ecosystem restoration, irrigation activities, drainage desilting, among others. Through large-scale afforestation and reforestation, ACReSAL's is helping communities reclaim and restore their lands. In Adamawa, over 20,000 farmers have been trained in regenerative agriculture, restoring degraded lands and improving livelihoods. In Katsina, flooding had become a recurring nightmare, claiming lives, infrastructures, and destroying agricultural value worth over 2 billion naira annually.
Anytime the rain is about to start, we have psychological trauma, knowing that anytime it rains, there will be some devastation on one farm or the other. One thing was certain, on a yearly basis, one part of the farm or the other, the wall caves in, it comes down. So we have to rebuild. Some other times, our chicken pens get flooded. We lose chickens that you can't do anything about. Our children, sometimes on days that we have heavy rains, we stop them from coming to school for their own safety.
In 2018, Jibia flooding killed over 44 persons and 20 were missing. But after ACReSAL's intervention in 2023, no deaths were recorded in 2024 and this year. In Gombe State, ACReSAL's intervention at the Federal College of Education Technical Gali site has brought solution to years of flood, saving 200,000 households directly affected and protecting 1.6 million indirectly affected. Infrastructure, land, and other land assets worth 45 billion naira under threat have been protected.
Whenever there's rainfall, we cannot go to the farm. Our children cannot go to school. We cannot go to the market. If this is a Shaba rider, even if we beg them, they will bill you a lot of money because of the bad road and because of the erosion.
From Kogi to Kano, Sokoto to Yobe, and across all the participating states, ACReSAL's is making a difference, reviving degraded lands and empowering communities. In Yobe State, a 12-year dry land at Unguru wetlands caused by taifa grass invasion has been restored after ACReSAL's deployed a swamp buggy. This restoration has benefited over 59,871 farmers, 15,624 headers, and 5,358 fishermen.
Da bana garin nan ma sakamakon babu ruwa a garin. To amma yanzu Allah ya kawo mana ruwa, Allah ya kawo kuma dalilin wanda suka tona mana ruwa ya zo mana, mun baro inda muke, mun dawo gida, muna sana'a mu. Ni dinnan ina da iyali na sun kai kusan guda 9. To amma yanzu cikin ikon Allah na dawo gida, na samu damar da nake dan sama musu abin da za su ci, amma da babu ma abin da za su ci.
We suffered a lot simply because there is no running water. Most of the farmers deserted away. Move back to Hadeja, move back to Gashua. People are nothing to do, more especially the fishermen. Some of them moved to Chad. some of them change even the occupation.
ACReSAL's innovative approach is reviving ecosystems and livelihoods. ACReSAL's story is one of hope, resilience, and restoration. As Nigeria works towards a sustainable future, this project serves as a beacon of innovation and transformation. Join us in celebrating the power of collective action and environmental stewardship. Join the ACReSAL movement for a greener Nigeria. ACReSAL, greening the environment, saving lives.